Hello friends, today I'll show you the IKEA kitchen items which I purchased recently and how I'm using it. First, this is the funnel which I bought. I'll add the price details for all the things. This is very useful for me to milk purpose and oil everything. The next one is the spice boxes, which is actually around 10 boxes. You will get 2 medium size and 2 large size boxes, plus 4 containers to store in the fridge, plus 1 long size box. 2 boxes you will get from this. The next third one is, this is the glass jar. 2 glass jar, 1 medium size and another one you will get large size box. Then these are the glasses, 6 pieces of glasses with the, you will get all the set like cups, plate and spoons as well. So the next one, chopping board. You'll get the smaller one also. My daughter using that one. These are the pots. This will come 5 pots with the lid, so it will be very useful for you in different colors. So 5 boxes you will get with this. These 2 scissors I got it, which is actually very useful for me, and 3 saucepan, 2 with the lid and 1 without lid. This is quite useful. Yeah, and the glasses, this is my favorite. You will get 6 pieces of glasses for drinking water. Yeah, the brush for cleaning vessels and the one with the wash bottle. I get 2 color. One is black and another one pink. This is quite useful for the hand wash. And this cute dog snacks box which I got for my kids, it is very funny. Let me show you. Yeah, you can keep sandwiches, everything. Then this 3, this is actually, you'll get another one is blue, pink, another one with a white color. This also is storage box, snacks box. You can store multiple things inside this. So I have stored my kids' pencils and everything in this box. Then this is a zipper, which is quite useful for me, and I am using already pink color and the white one. Total 3 you will get. And the coffee maker, right now I'm using for drinking water with a lot of veggies in that. And this is one of the most useful for giving to the guest, and you want to carry food, lot of food. So this board was very useful for me. These are the kitchen finds. If you find useful, you can like, subscribe and share.